We have some big news coming in. The Supreme Court has now taken suo motu cognizance of the Kolkata rape case. Big update as the Supreme Court taking suo motu cognizance on the rape case in Kolkata. In fact, this was almost inevitable considering the number of angles that are now surfacing. The CJI-led bench to be hearing this matter on Tuesday. That's the latest we have, with the Supreme Court now taking it up on its own to ensure that the perpetrators are brought to book. We know one person has been arrested, Sanjay Roy, but are there more people to this crime? As the CBI takes up the investigation, the Supreme Court now stepping in. A suo motu case has been taken up by the Supreme Court. CJI-led bench to be hearing the matter on Tuesday. Hopefully this reassures the scores of protesters across the country, doctors who have been asking for investigation to be completed on this case in a time-bound manner. It's been now 2 weeks since, or about 10 days since the rape and murder surfaced at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata. And since then, the first few days, police of Kolkata investigated the issue. Then it was taken over by the CBI. And now we see the Supreme Court taking suo motu cognizance in this case and will be hearing the matter on Tuesday. Hopefully, this will ensure expedited trial, expedited investigation and trial, where we see one man has been taken into custody. Could there be more involved in this case? That's precisely the fear and the demand put forth by the family members of that victim as well, that there's the crime scene, the way she was murdered, the kind of assault that was inflicted on her looks like it's impossible to be carried out by just one man. That her injuries itself very clearly suggest that there could be more people involved in her rape as well as her murder. So these are the angles that are being looked into while the CBI is probing the case. We're looking at the Supreme Court of India taking suo motu cognizance, CJI-led bench to be hearing that matter on Tuesday. Nalini Sharma joining us for more on that. Nalini, please take it away. Supreme Court now taking up the matter. On Tuesday will be the hearing. What exactly will be heard?
Well, Nabila, the Supreme Court of India has officially stepped in and taken suo motu cognizance of the case. They've not only taken suo motu cognizance of the rape and murder of the trainee doctor, but also the related incidents, which possibly means the vandalism that had happened in the hospital and the protests that are going on, issues related to that. Now, a three-judge bench headed by the Chief Justice of India and also comprising of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra will be hearing the matter on Tuesday, essentially because the Supreme Court is going to be closed tomorrow on Monday due to Raksha Bandhan. So that's why on reopening on Tuesday, they're going to be taking up the matter. It remains to be seen exactly what the Supreme Court of India is going to do, because the Calcutta High Court was already hearing the matter. They had already ordered the CBI to take over the investigation, and the CBI is probing the matter. In fact, the last time around, Calcutta High Court had also asked the CBI to file a status report regarding the ongoing investigation. What is it that they found? So keeping that in mind, it remains to be seen whether the proceedings before the High Court will be stayed and the Supreme Court is now going to take over this investigation and monitor the investigation or not. But some very crucial observations are no doubt expected, because in the course of the past 3-4 days, I think about 2 or 3 letters have been written to the Chief Justice of India asking him to take note of this matter. And it seems like the Supreme Court of India has finally stepped in and taken suo motu cognizance. Tuesday, 20th August is when the hearing is before the three-judge bench, and it remains to be seen what happens that day.
Right. Nalini, thanks very much for joining us on that.